Today, we're going to talk about context providers, a super powerful feature that makes sharing state between components really easy. Imagine you have a WebSocket connection, and you need multiple components to access its status and send messages. Instead of passing props everywhere, you can just create a context provider. What makes this tutorial even more exciting is that this code is actually powering the VS Code integration inside TeachFlow, the platform I'm working on to create interactive programming courses. And guess what? This video itself is running on TeachFlow using this exact integration. If you're curious, you can test this integration yourself on TeachFlow. The link is in the description. First of all, let's create the WS provider, which will be our context provider. This file is located in the context folder and serves to share the WebSocket connection state and messages between components. Here we initialize our context with some default values, yes connected to know if the connection is active, and message to manage outgoing messages. Now let's define our WS provider, a component that will provide the context values to its children. The WS provider component wraps its children with the context and passes the setWsConnect and setMessage functions to modify the state. Now let's move on to the core of the connection, the WebSocket component. Here we use useState to maintain the WebSocket reference and the connection state. We handle the connection opening with a use effect. Every 2 seconds, a connection attempt is made if the WebSocket is not active. Now we listen for incoming messages and handle open and close events. Finally, we send messages whenever the message value changes. Now let's see how to use this context in our main component. And that's it. We've seen how to create a context provider to manage WebSocket connections in a Next.js app. This architecture centralizes state and simplifies communication between components. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more Next.js tutorials.